Ba-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Da-da-dum. So guys, what do you want to do today? I don't know. Pumpkin, what's wrong with you? I don't know. But I keep doing this. Do you have the hiccups or something? I think so. Please, help me. Well, I mean, if you scare somebody, the hiccups will go away. I mean, if we can scare you. Oh my god, can you stop interrupting? I can't help it. But basically, if we scare you, you should be able to get rid of your hiccups. Okay. Okay, so Apple, go and try to scare him. I'll be watching. Madeline, come with me. Okay. Okay, Apple, your turn. Well, something that people would be scared of is knives, probably. So let me get them. So, yo! I have a knife! And I'll stab you! Please don't stab me. I will stab you. So I stab him. I guess, but like do it in like his arm or something. Make sure you don't do it in his nuts by accident. Okay. Please don't. My arm's bleeding. Oh man, it didn't work. Okay, we're just gonna put a band-aid on that. So, let me show your hand. Okay, here we go. Thanks. Oh man, that didn't work. Let me stab you again. No. You're done. Melon, you try. Okay, fine. But if I need to stab someone, and be my guest. Most people would be scared of jump scares. Hold on, let me get my phone. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me face it to you. Alright, now this jump scare. So, okay, watch this jump scare. Oh, okay. Just watch the jump scare, okay? You should get scared. Okay? Okay. Bum, 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 ba-dum. I'll kill you. Okay, ready with someone? Yup. Okay, so now we need to destroy it. Okay, Apple, you actually need to stab something. Oh, do I stab Pumpkin? No, you stab the snowman. What? Okay, I'm coming for you, snowman. No, please don't. Woo! It's okay, that was an accident. Okay, thanks for letting me stab something. I still have hiccups. Well, maybe we should call one of... Oh, God. Maybe we should call one of your friends. Okay. Orange, yeah, Orange. Hey, Orange, hold on. Melon? What? Code Orange. Okay. Let's pretend it just code. Oh. But or that's not you. That's not orange. I am orange. Then why do you have 2 leaves? Well, I got plastic surgery to change my leaves. You like it? Yeah, but can you help me out the hiccups? Oh yeah, that makes sense. No wonder you have that. Maybe if I kick you in the balls? Please don't. Okay, we'll save that for later if anything else doesn't work. Oh, I know. Hammer. Wait, no. Are you gonna hit me with it? No, but I'm gonna pretend to. That didn't work. Oh man. You know what? If you're scared of being paralyzed, don't worry. We'll regenerate you after a failure. Okay, fine, but please don't make it hurt. Oh, it will hurt because I'm literally trying to make you paralyzed from them. My leg! But I can still sit down. Hold on. Okay, let me just. Okay, it's okay. We'll Okay, now time to reattach your limbs because that obviously didn't work. I'm just gonna. Great. While trying to help me with my hiccups. You broke my legs, and now I have 2 bandages. Yeah, sorry about that. And also kind of hurt myself, I think, right here on my nuts. Who can we call now? I don't know. Oh man, it's not. Oh man, it's not anymore. Oh, great tonight. Yeah, I'm not afraid of the dark. Ooh, what about a scary story? I don't need this hammer anymore. It's scary story time. Ooh. It's the perfect time for scary stories. Woo! Okay, tell me some scary stories. Okay, can I have some lights? We won't be as scary though. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, so legends say that Ligma exists. What's Ligma? Well, it's Ligma balls. It didn't work, but I'm still scared. Yeah, but that was actually a joke. The real thing. There once was a person who wanted these. What's these? These nuts. Bro, that just made you hiccup more. Okay, that was also a joke, though. There was once somebody who had a car, and then a scary monster killed them in the car, and then stole the car, then it killed 10 billion more people. And all those people were your family. Why does scaring you keep making you hiccup more? I think these scary stories are too scary. That's not even curing my hiccups. Fine, you goobers. But I still have to use. But we still have to use the flashlight. But I still have to use a flashlight because there's no way we're not gonna be able to make it light in here. Hold on, I'm so stupid. I'm gonna still keep my flashlight though. Oh, it's gonna be left here. Yeah, are we? Yeah. Oh. I wonder if I can change the radius.
Like she literally called the cops. Yes, the actual police, the POPO, 5-0, the pigs. She called the cops on me before I even stepped in the classroom because like the previous day, like we were on an argument. So the next day, she calls the cops on me before I even went to the classroom talking about.
Okay, Apple, you're just gonna stay there so you can stop in mine. Aw, man. That wasn't supposed to happen. That wasn't supposed to happen. That was. Yeah, that was. Oh man, are you serious? Okay, sorry about that. I accidentally flew somehow. Maybe he touched me one of these candles. Okay. They don't burn me. Oh yeah, I forgot these candles aren't real. Don't use real. I have an idea. Yeah. Oh.
You're a smart kid, Edward. Smarter than you think.
Whoa! No orange! Orange! No! No orange! No! Why did you have to die? And corn! Are you serious? And I got stabbed. Wait a second. You lost hiccups! Yay! But what are we gonna do? We're dead. Okay, I don't know. Oh look, and it's daytime again! Wow! So are we gonna come back? Should I just we'll come back next episode. And he died too. Jump up, kick back, whip around and spin. And then we jump up, do it again. Ninjago, come on, and do the weekend whip. Also Ninjago. In the reboot, or whatever it's called, you know, Dragon's Rising, why is there no weekend whip? I hate the new theme song. I mean, it sounds nice, but come on, why can't we have a weekend whip? And it gets technically not the original series, but it's still part of Ninjago. So please bring back the whip. Bring back the weekend whip. Maybe in season 2 or just like a little later. Like seriously, I'm just gonna. Anyways, bye guys.